Now slowly roll up your spine. Open your arms wide into heart to the universe. Form a beak with your fingers and float down into the drinking bird. Hands bend at the wrists for a lovely stretch. Inhale, roll up, open the chest, open the fingers. Exhale, fingers wrap around the thumb into the drinking bird. Inhale, flow up. Exhale, flow down. Flow with the rhythm of your breath and open the Du and Ren Mai channels in the front and in the back of your body. This time when you roll up, begin to pulse your Qi. Feel the energy between your palms. Now condense this energy into a Qi pearl. Imagine holding a pearl of energy in your palms. See it shimmering. It's time to bring it home to the sea of Qi under the belly button.